is our finished product. Hope you like our chicken macaroni. Today we're gonna make chicken macaroni salad, and here are the ingredients. 1 pack or 1 kilo of elbow macaroni, salt, we have condensed milk, Best Foods Mayo Magic or any kind of mayonnaise, shredded chicken, carrots, thinly or chopped, cubed, and then tidbits, pineapple tidbits, cheese, cubed and chopped onion, and last is egg. So as you can see, we have 2 more eggs here later for the toppings. First, of course, you have your boiled elbow macaroni. Syempre, inano na siya, pinalamig. Para pag hinalo siya, the mayonnaise will not turn into oil. Okay. Yan. So also, nung pinakuluan siya, we have put some salt na. So yung salt natin medyo konti lang din later. Malapit ka.
I-edit naman ito nila ng ito.
Hindi.
Hindi? Hindi i-edit?
Hindi na-edit mo.
Ano ba yan? Tinuloy ko na.
Okay, it's easy to make lang. Just mix them all together, isa-isa, para ma-even siya ng pag-mix. Okay, first off, we have to put the onion. Tapos, sunod-sunod na yan. Cheese. Carrots. Pwede rin unti-unti para namik siya i-dilute. Kailangan i-mix well siya hanggang ilalim para evenly. Siyempre dahan-dahan. Para hindi matapon. Chicken. And then egg. Pinakahuli dapat yung mayonnaise. And as you can see, we already mixed all the ingredients at hinuli natin yung mayonnaise para pag minix siya, evenly naka-spread siya sa ating macaroni. So let's put the mayonnaise. So you have to spread it evenly. Feeling ko kulang ang mayo. Tapos, halo lang siya ng halo. Sa ma-spread siya evenly. Yan. So, lahat ng mayonnaise and then yung ating condensed. Siyempre, sisimutin natin yung mayonnaise. Sayang. Ayan, just mix them all together very well para evenly. Here is our finished product. Hope you like our chicken macaroni.
1,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, 12 o'clock.
For today, we're gonna cook baked tahong. So, as you can see, here are the ingredients. Na-steam na namin yung tahong. Then, we just remove the other part of the shell and then iniwan yung isang shell at sineparate siya isa-isa. And then, we have cheese. Dapat quick melt. And butter. Okay. I'll show you how to prepare it before you bake it in oven. So, by the way, pag binake siya sa oven, dapat hindi masyadong malakas yung thermostat or yung temperature para hindi masunog yung cheese. So, I'll get one. Tapos, let's just scrape off a little bit of butter para hindi siya dry pag binake. So, you can just spread it here, put it here on top. Pwede rin sa paligid. And then, get some cheese. Konti lang siguro. Kasi quick melt naman siya. Yan. Tapos, lagay lang sa ibabaw. And then, put it in the dish tray. Okay. Ulit-ulit lang yon. Butter. All over the tahong. And cheese. Yung iba gusto nila maraming cheese. Kaya, yan. Lagyan natin ng marami. Yan. So, ganun lang siya.
Gagawin na itong ganun.
Pagtapos na ilagay lahat, pwede na siyang ilagay doon sa preheated oven. Yan. Tapos, bake na siya. Maybe you can...
Hello guys! Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. I hope you like our video. Please watch more videos. We'll continue making some and please watch our broadcasts. It will be amazing. Bye bye.